Oh no, here we go again.
Already, it's a rainy day here in Kyoto, and just got outside. It's noon, so going to shopping mall again by subway. So, well, it's wet. How people are walking around without no umbrella at the moment. I think it might have rained earlier, and well, as they says, I'm looking silly. Yeah. The umbrella maybe not be needed at this moment. But we're here. Not here. We're near the station. So yeah. The sound. Yep. Heard again. It's definitely a sound. Dry. The umbrella. It was raining earlier. Disappointed. So disappointed. This little part of Kyoto feels modern. Or it's just me. Difference that a Sunday and a rainy Sunday at that makes on the amount of walking traffic. Okay, but still, it's after 12, so I don't know what's open. I know it's closed. A lot. Waiting for the Kyoto black soy ramen. It's not there yet. That looks good though. Right. Oh, spiky. Right. Oh, maybe. Spicy. Tarimasu. Your ramen. And without the toppings in that, this little bad boys comes up. It says, with all the toppings, you get traditionals. You get your noodle hardness and stuff, and you get extra egg if you want it. And the price increases accordingly. So it's digital. The individual extra. So the one thing for sure that I'm getting is kimchi. Get it? Yes. 2. Confirmed kimchis. 2. That's for sure. Big options. I think I'll go for the black oolong tea. Or maybe the beer. No, I don't want the hardball. Alright, let's go. Simply. We're ordering the draft. One is good. One is good. And I think we're good. On my hand. But we'll see. Limited, I haven't done. I don't know what that means, but okay. No. No. We're good. We got everything. So it took a hot minute to actually order. Oh no. My apples. Too many. Cheers. It says the special dry. Special dry ashaki. Or as sake. Dry. Of course, it's kimchi. You know, kimchi. Very good. Number 3. Chopsticks. Just what I needed. Ice number 4. A little serving dish for soy sauce. Oh, you got the wit. Dip your noodles in. I'm not getting. Oh, no, I'm not getting goiza or anything like that. So this might not apply. Little dish. So we have the first bite. Oh, gotta come close. Here we go. Kimchi. Spicy. I like this. That's why. It's spicy. Oh, it's not gonna be good. Just look down. You got the gaza. Yeah, it's the gaza. Oh, got it good. Got it good. Okay. Restart. Here we go, baby. We have the good shot at. Oh, no, too fast. We gotta go back. Yeah. Yes, there we go. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah. That's main course. Okay. The broth. Soy sauce based. That's a lot of goodness. Yeah. This is the Kyoto black because of the soy sauce. Yeah. SBOV. Ramen. Chop. Title. All the toppings. So, with compared to the first, first bites, I didn't add kimchi. Oh, spice. Oh, then it started to enter ginger. I'm done. At least portions of the epic journey when it goes from full to this empty. The journey was epic. Oh, the beer skis. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's fine. Have Kyoto ramen. Kia. Oh, nothing. Okay. Well, you see the prices in Japanese. You might see. Look a little closer. Zoom. All right. Right. Okay. All right. So here we had the Kyoto Black soy ramen with all the toppings. You can have options. Maybe more eggs. So the inner dialogue. Oh well, they are a big longer. So the inner dialogue was I forgot, but the inner dialogue was coming out loud, and in fact I forgot what it was. Yeah, things happen. The argument was I go in the right direction? My answer was, you would have come to an end of the road, either left or right. You couldn't go forward unless you want to go, ow, just walk into the wall. No. You're right. We've been short too. I don't know if the payoff's going to happen, but it's the right direction. 1 street in, trying to get to the marketplace. Rendition of doubting myself. Okay, I got circle B. But yeah, I was going perpendicular instead of horizontal. Yeah, the 90 square. I hope I'm going in the right direction. Does it look promising? Maybe. It's a little walk. Oh, I see building, so maybe I'm in the right car, or I went in the wrong direction again. We'll see in a buck or 2 or more. Yeah. We're here in Kyoto. This time, well, it was chicken. This is where it's at. The chicken that looks like a muffin and a sandwich. It's a chicken, no a rooster. I made it finally. After twisting and turning. All because it was ramen. Yeah, ramen. Here we are. Dry. See here, the crowds, or how do you call it? Streams. They kind of get breaked up. Sorry about this. Have the muffin croissant. I want a seasonal latte. Maybe not. Or coffee. Oh, you get the arms. Oh, right there. Yeah, right there. I want a cookie. was the blend coffee, the red eye, or the two-tone red eye hot. Some place where you get your coffee with a shot of espresso, a couple cookies. Well, this is called a red eye. That's probably espresso. I should have gone for two-tone. And I got a little basket here. Put bags in. With this umbrella. You stay up on the couch. It's a single person. 1 seat. It's coffee and cookies. Be the straight up normal edge. Not with the coffee, the hat and the iPod. Until the music player changes out. It's expensive. $3.83. When you do the how they call it? Do the conversion. We had intuition on our side that the muffin place would be also sell cookies. We were right. Damn it. I got Pablo. Reflection by the bar. Editor, be glad you were not here. The crowds in the way, so. Hi. This is the omelet place I passed. I will stop and gather myself. Tempura and Japanese omelet restaurant. Oh, spring onions. Why do I want egg? Yes. Omelet. Tempura, whatever it is. That's right. Omelet. Spring onions. Overburden the hotness for an omelet. Oh, why does everyone offer highball? You like highball? Oh, it's long and genty. No, Asahi. Yes, it's Asahi. Yes, but it's lemon sour. No, it's alcohol. It's nice, but no. That there is an empty plate. As he bites in, you see the joy. Oh, temporary. You have to put little drops. As he bites in, part 2. Yum. Good range. This is Esteban de Berni of Stefan Stories. Follow me as I wander through Seoul, South Korea, and the cities of Osaka, Kyoto, and Tokyo. For Stefan Stories. It's supposed to be about the art. It became about the food. Voila. Cherry blossoms. Too early. It's all about the chopsticks now. It all, but I got most of. Not doing that one. Nah. The smell of the sniffing of burnt meat and omelet, but burnt meat. So I try for the chicken, fried chicken they called it. The hot cookie time. Oh no, I can't do this. He wants to eat? No. Look at that line. I mean, hello. I'm sorry, fried chicken. Bye bye. Fresh. I roasted chestnuts. We could say seafood. Fresh. And meat. Seafood. Yes, fresh. Not so much, that's right. All here in Kyoto. Young Shorty. Part 3. Because remember, first night, last night, and the other side. It's, well, you will left. So, we're going direction we were supposed to go in, but it's, well, we didn't know if we were actually going to go, so we had to go. Part 2. Part 2. Railways. Ooh, jeans. No. I want a shirt. If I do that, I need a shirt. Go. This way of arm holding, hand holding, arm holding is, oh, shaky, shaky. Do the bum. Dan, 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 dan. I feel a nut coming out.
So that Asian dragon looks like a little Shih Tzu, the little dog. So yeah, that's what the Asian dragon looks like to me.
It's a little, I don't know, it's a little garden. It's called Egypt. I have no clue. What is it? It's a thank you note. Let's say, Egypt Magic Goju. Magic Jojo. Oh, walk through the gates. And we have bush, not bush. Yes, sculpted bush, but bush, not bush. Greenery, yes, bush. The tummy is not happy. It's the bimbish, the bimbish. Hey, baby, bibbly bibbly boo. Tummy not good. Tummy not good. Tummy not good. Tummy not good. Hi, Chihuahua. Oh. We're taking towards the river. Show me a moment. Wait, bum killed. This is the police. To the edge. It might be way through. It might be a little steep though. The bum hole. This is the other side. Yes. Can we go? We'll try. We'll look. Look. Towards the river. It's audible. It's nonsense, but it's audible. Just your turn. We're red. We're going for it. And the grain turns green. Well, as you can see today, that Mother Nature delivered us fresh water from the sky. And now it's flowing towards the bigger river. Yes, flow, no backfill. Yes. We finally found some mountains. It's the big toy. Yeah. Surrounded by mountains. Oh, what's this way? City. Oh, brother. We're surrounded by mountains. At least, oh shit. It's off in the distance. It's a freaking shaggy dog. Yes, woof woof. Have the options. We're getting tea. We want the green, but we're going for the straight tea. Oh yes, that's not straight tea. Right here, straight tea. Oh no. expression calls to me. It's like, yes, it's in living color, but the houses take you back. Take you back, take you back. Habituba. Not similar, but it takes you back. I want to get him flying, but nope. Okay, we got one. It was not good. Little footage. Responsibility of, oh well, walking to the unknown. These are definitely older style. I'm dropped off in pass, except for the modern footing where it would not have been so hard or so sturdy. I wants to go in. It's no. We're Maine puppies, Maine dogs. Oh, he saw a powder. We must catch double urchers. Other end of shopping. Alright, let's go fast. Chihuahua. I see nothing. It's too early. It's kind of birds. Oh, what are we looking for? I'm scared me the birdie. Have the marks of along you. Alright. We walked them. We go back way. We go out. We wanted to get statues. It was classical statue. Dirt. Yes. He's a fat boy, you know, she's been settled down with a woman. No coffee. Okay. Oh. I would not daughters in bed faster than the grannies. And the grand. I don't know. We come up to the drink. this is my engine, but we want water. I don't want beer. No, where we going the beer? You had I show you. And the carrot. So, spice soda.